Hi friends, welcome to my channel Venkat Presents Dhanam. Happy Diwali to one and all. Soon more trading is going to start for Samvat 2021. Actually, there are some stock recommendations, my dear friends, where you can invest. Among these stocks, the Pehla jo stock hai wo RVNL, that is like Railway Vikas Nigam Limited. This is also one of the best pick. Actually, this is trading around 36 hours nearby to 40 rupees. This is a very good share. And the second my topic will be like Bank of India. This is also a wonderful script which is going to perform very well. Its results are also going to be very well, and you can invest for long term. Then the next one will be like Union Bank of India. Union Bank of India. This is one of the public sector bank actually, which is becoming a very good bank, and where you can invest in this kind of shares. Then next one will be, no doubt it is going to be Punjab National Bank, PNB, no doubt. This is a very good bank, and your investment is going to be very good in this particular script, my dear friends. Then the next one will be like MRPL will be there. MRPL, this is also one of the very good script where you can consider investing your amount. So whatever scripts I said, actually these are all trading around 40s and 50s and below 100 rupees. And one more best investment I would like to suggest is like Bank of Baroda, which is going to be a multi-bagger for this somewhat trading, more trading. Then you can buy these shares. Better pick is like RVNL. If risk takers are there, I suggest one more script that is trading around 125 and 130. That is like Railtel Limited. Railtel, RAIL. Railtel. This is also one of the best pick where you can consider even investments. This is around quoting at 125 or some other range. This is a long term bet. You will consider these kind of shares. It is going to be very good returns. I wish all the best and a very good and happy trading. And invest slowly like a SIP. Don't invest at a time. You will be getting more and more opportunities for investment. And the good decision is like government of India has reduced the excise tax on petrol and diesel prices, which is going to be a very good result, very good for the economy, and most of the companies are going to benefit from that. You can consider investing in these stocks. I wish all the best. You can invest in Union Bank of India. You can also invest in PNB, Bank of Baroda. These are the very good banks in public sector. And other than this, I am recommending MRPL, Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemicals. IDFC First Bank is also one of the best investment you can consider, which is a private bank which is going to be a multi-bagger in coming days. IDFC First Bank, yeah, this is going to be very good bank where you can consider investment in this bank, IDFC First Bank. Yeah, this is also going to be a good investment idea where you can consider investing. I wish all the best and all success. Once again, wishing you all happy Diwali to all. Consider investment in these stocks for summer 2021. My recommendations will be like all the scripts below 100 rupees and around 120 or 130 rupees. I'm not going to beyond that. I don't want your money to be struck in any of the scripts which are already increased. Okay, I wish all the best and all success in stock market. Once again, wishing you a happy Diwali to all. Happy Diwali to all. Thank you. Please do like my video and please subscribe to my channel for more and more stock recommendations. These are all 1 year investments. You can invest as a SIP and you will get very good returns in these kind of slips. All the best, my friends.